Hey guys, Miss Wangberg here. I had a request to show you how to do some of the activities on the Chrome Music Lab. So one that I think is really cool is the Song Maker. So I'm going to walk you through how to do music creation in Song Maker. So the first thing we're going to do is go to the Explorer, and we're going to go to the Games and click on the Chrome Music Lab, and then we're going to go to the one that says Song Maker. There's a couple of things right off the bat that you can change. The first one is if you go into settings, you can adjust how many bars you have and how many beats per bar, so that'd be your meter. Splitting the beats into 2 would be 1/8 notes. If you split them into 4, it would be 16th notes. I'm just going to leave it at 2. And then you can change major, pentatonic, or chromatic scale. We haven't talked a lot about pentatonic or chromatic, but major is something that hopefully sounds familiar. And then I just like leaving it on C. C is a really good key to compose in. It's very basic, no sharps, no flats, just straight up. And then I changed mine when I did mine to the 3 octave. And that gave me a little bit more of a range in some of the songs I was able to do. Now, I did post, I'm going to go back to my website because I did post in the news feed an example of a song that I had done. And that is this guy right here. Pretty easy, pretty just straightforward, but sounds cool. Okay, so back to my Chrome Music tab, Chrome Music Lab Song Maker tab. To be able to compose a song, you kind of have to know a little bit about the chord structure. Now, we've talked some with some classes and grade levels on chord structure, but one of the easiest things is to think about the boom whackers. And when you have the boom whackers, there are they're color coded. So one of the boom whackers chords is a C, and then you'd have D, E, F, G. Now the way I did mine was I had the downbeat, and then I had my G on the and, or the second part of the TT. And then I had C, E, and another C. Then I did that again. So C, E, C. That's the one chord, the C. Then I went to my G, which would be the 5 chord. So the way I did that was a G is the bass, B, D. See, I'm just kind of following what I did. D, and then I put a B. So far, like that. And then I went back to a C chord, so C, okay, and then I went to an F chord. So here's C, D, E, F. So I just did F, C, A, C. Oh, missed. And then I went to a G, so I have my B, B, D, hello notification, E, G, and then I went back to my C. So I'm just going to fill in all my C's. I just realized I put the G on the wrong one. There we go. So I have a C chord, which is red, yellow, and green. Then I have my G chord, which is green, pink, and orange. Another C, red, yellow, green. Then I have my F chord, which is light green, purple, and red. And then a G, the green, pink, and orange. And then my C, red, yellow, green. Now you could do any combination of those and it would sound like chords. Now in my song I also did it on strings, and they've got quite a few instruments that you can choose from. It's kind of cool. But I did strings because I like the pizzicato sound. Pizzicato is when you pluck the string. So there's that. And then I switched my drum kit, this other one here, I switched it to the kit, and I did the downbeat, and then I did the and of the next beat, and the downbeat on the triangle. So I have circle, not, nothing, nothing, circle, triangle. So then it sounded like this. Now, really cool thing about this as well is you can actually save. And I embedded this into my website basically, but you can actually download the WAV file, which will allow you to listen to it in an like iTunes or Windows media player. You can listen to it and actually use it or something. I don't know, you can make a song to it. So if you wanted to do that, you just download it. Then, like I have GarageBand, I could go in and put that into GarageBand. It'd be kind of cool. I could save my song, I don't know, cool song. And then I'm going to put that on my desktop. Once you've done that, it's saved. You could also even share it to Facebook or Twitter. I forgot to tell you that. I don't know if you need to, but oh, or you could copy the link and send that to somebody in like an email, which would be cool. I can also change the tempo. We've talked about tempo. Make it faster. If you do the mic, it allows you to like hum a pitch, and and then it adds the notes that you hum. So if I hum, I'm humming an F. Oops, confused the hum with my mouse. Anyway, so that's what the mic does. It's cool. If you wanted to make your song longer, you could, and then add more bars. But sometimes I feel like 4 bars is plenty because it'll just repeat and it gives you a nice consistency. So if you have any questions, send me a help ticket request, send me an email, whatever.